I'm Dr. Nishi Bhopal. I'm a psychiatrist. I am based in the San Francisco Bay Area. I'm board certified in psychiatry, sleep medicine, and integrative holistic medicine. And I got interested in integrative psychiatry kind of by accident. And through that experience, I learned that there are dimensions to health and healing that we're just not addressing in conventional medicine and that I wasn't learning in my psychiatry residency. So through my own personal experiences, I started exploring integrative medicine and Ayurveda, and then stumbled across the IPI fellowship just in time as I was looking to take a deeper dive into that material. The best part was the wide range of topics that were covered that were specific to mental health. So when I was doing my own kind of piecemeal training, I was learning a lot, but much of it was not specific to psychiatry. Most of it was focused on general medicine, which is relevant to what we do in psychiatry, but it wasn't specifically focused on that. So having a training program that was geared towards mental health practitioners was the best part of the program. And in addition, we have great lectures and we had amazing faculty. So it was a great experience overall. So during the program, I met lots of great colleagues and mentors, some of whom I already knew, many of whom I didn't. And I kind of felt like I found my people. I always kind of felt like I was alone in this integrative medicine, integrative psychiatry interest, and I was trying to do all this piecemeal learning on my own. So having that community has been really invaluable for me. And I've also gotten to know some of the faculty and the mentors in the program, which has been amazing. Shortly before I started the fellowship, I actually opened my own integrative psychiatry and sleep practice. And since I opened the practice and finished the fellowship, I've been using a lot of the tools every single day. And I'm still learning, so I still go back and reference the material and try different things. And so I feel like I have a whole toolbox of treatments and methods and tools available to me that I didn't have before. This is more than just an educational program. It's more than just a training. It's really a community at heart. You'll get a great foundation in the principles of integrative psychiatry, but you'll also get connected with a network of peers and faculty and mentors. It's really a full community at heart.